Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified as we upload one new recipe every day. Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's lovely sweet recipe is gur ka halwa. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. So first we're going to dissolve the jaggery. Add 2 cups of water. So I've taken about 1 cup of jaggery, but if you like your halwa to be a little more sweeter, you can take a little more of the jaggery. The jaggery is dissolved. I'm going to turn off the stove and keep this aside. Take a saucepan, add a little ghee. I'm just going to roast the cashew nuts and the raisins. After you've roasted the cashew nuts and raisins, take it and keep it aside. In the same saucepan, I'm going to roast half cup of semolina. Here I've taken fine semolina, which is suji. So once the semolina is roasted, we're going to pour the dissolved jaggery into the semolina and cook this. Close the saucepan and cook on low flame. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to check the semolina is cooked. So you can see water is absorbed. The semolina is cooked perfectly. Just going to remove these seeds from the pods and just pound them. At this point, I'm going to add the cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you'd like more, you can add a little more. Just mix this. Add the roasted cashew nuts and raisins. Garnish it with sliced pistachios and almonds. So now you know how to make this delicious and very simple gur ka halwa. So do try it and enjoy with your family. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.